So I'm going to assume that you're here because you want to know exactly how I went from earning next to nothing to just over $250,000 a year, purely from photography. And you know what? I couldn't be more excited to share this with you. Throughout my journey, I talk a lot about a formula I created to help me work out exactly what it was I needed to earn from every single session. That formula then led me to create my pricing calculator. And I can tell you it's been an absolute game changer for me, and I know it will be for you as well. My pricing calculator allows you to work out what your exact cost of doing business is, right down to the cent. It also helps you figure out what you need to pay yourself as a salary in terms of your cost of living. And then when you work out how many sessions you can physically do a year, the pricing calculator tells you what you have to charge to cover those expenses. Knowing what to charge is probably the hardest thing photographers or any business owner knows what to do. This pricing calculator does it all for you, but you have to dedicate the time to do it. If you don't dedicate the time, you won't start planning for the future, and you won't be able to live the life that you want and deserve. The pricing calculator, like I said, is an incredible tool. It also comes with 2 ebooks that are going to help you get started. One on pricing for profit and one on selling your work. It also comes with a workbook and case studies. So now is the time to focus on your business. This pricing calculator can be tailored to anyone, whether they are at the beginning of their journey or throughout their entire career. It truly is an incredible tool that's going to help you focus on your business now and start planning for your future.